Hello, my name is Lars Lima. I'm from the Carlsberg Group. I'm Executive Vice President for the region Central and Eastern Europe and India in Carlsberg. I'm here today because we're celebrating the opening of capacity expansion of 30% at our brewery here in Almaty. I've been working with Kazakhstan and Eastern Europe in Carlsberg for 21 years. Carlsberg have been doing business in Kazakhstan for 25 years. So we have a long history, a good history in Kazakhstan. We exited our business in Russia last year, but opposite a lot of Western companies that got very concerned about doing business in the whole of Eastern Europe. The capacity expansion that we are celebrating today, that's 30%, and it's an investment of $25 million. On top of that, we also invest another $25 million in our rights, getting our brand rights for all of Central Asia here in Kazakhstan. The reason why we're investing in this region is both due to the business opportunities, but it's also because we trust the investment climate in Kazakhstan. And that trust is because we've been working successfully with the Kazakhstan government and local authorities for many years. And we also working very closely together with KAZAKH Invest, and we have very good relation with the KAZAKH Invest. We are going to see even more investments in the year to come, and I will not be surprised if we are tripling or quadrupling our investment in Kazakhstan and Central Asia during the next 5 years. Thank you.
Наша компания имеет 25-летнюю историю в Казахстане. И 25 лет назад был основан завод «Акнар», который находился здесь, на этом месте. После объединения завода «Акнар» и «Дербес» компания «Carlsberg» провела сделку в 2010 году по приобретению этого бизнеса. И в 2012 году наш бизнес был преобразован в Carlsberg Kazakhstan. На сегодняшний момент у нас быстро растущая компания, которая развивает несколько направлений производства слабоалкогольных напитков, сделанных на основе солода, безалкогольных напитков, также сделанных на основе солода, и производство газированных напитков, включая напитки энергетические. У нас работает порядка 550 человек на заводе здесь, и мы в этом году нарастили наше производство с 230 до 300 миллионов литров готового продукта в год. Мы динамично развиваем наше экспортное направление бизнеса и заключили контракты в прошлом году с партнерами в Узбекистане и в Кыргызстане. Видим очень хорошие темпы роста объемов продаж в эти страны. И сейчас для нас очень большой приоритет развивать сотрудничество с партнерами в Центральной Азии. Планируем в ближайшие месяцы закончить процедуру завершения контракта, получения сертификатов и начала поставок в Таджикистан, Туркменистан и Монголию. Монголия для нас также является очень привлекательным и приоритетным рынком. Как следствие, мы ждем, что рост объемов будет заставлять нас, будет требовать от нас дальнейшие инвестиции в развитие и рост объемов наших производственных мощностей и, как следствие, увеличение, первое, количество рабочих мест, второе – налоговых отчислений.
Yeah, thanks. As the Danish ambassador to Kazakhstan, I'm extremely pleased to be here in Almaty today for the opening of the new filling line of Carlsberg. I think Carlsberg investment here is a testimony to the fact that Kazakhstan is an interesting market for Western companies, for Danish companies, but also a testimony to the fact that Kazakhstan is a good country to attract foreign investments. I think today at this event we have seen government officials, local officials, and we have seen KAZAKH INVEST being present. And I think this is a testimony to the fact that foreign companies are welcome. If you look at bilateral relations between Kazakhstan and Denmark, they have improved significantly over the last many years. And I see a growing interest in Denmark for Danish companies to be present here. You see already today that you have a number of Danish subsidiaries present in Kazakhstan, 15 creating almost 800 jobs in Kazakhstan. But if you look at the potential, it's enormous. And I very much hope that we can attract more bilateral trade and investments to the benefit of both Kazakhstan and Denmark.
Good afternoon. Let me kindly highlight that Denmark is a reliable partner for Kazakhstan. In 2022, Kazakh-Danish cooperation marks 30 years since the establishment of diplomatic and bilateral relations. The trade turnover between Kazakhstan and Denmark is equal to $2,008 million as of 2023. Now, down to the investment issues. We do highly value Danish presence in Kazakhstan. Companies as APM Myers in logistics, Novo Nordisk in pharmaceutical industry, Vestas in energy, and Carlsberg Group is a global leader in brewery and food industry. With the support of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, KAZAKH INVEST National Company, and governmental entities, the special working group has been created. And as of today, we are witnessing the launch of a bottling line of soft drinks at Carlsberg Group in Almaty. We do appreciate Carlsberg's contribution to the development of the related sectors of economy, such as glass, aluminium, and food industry. For example, glass for Carlsberg Group is carried out by the Kazakh entity Eurocrystal. Aluminium cans and lids by the Kazakh entity Carlsberg. The premium malt is carried out by Kazakh entity Soufflé Kazakhstan, which is the subsidiary of the French consortium Soufflé. We highly value Carlsberg Group commitment, I should rather even say high commitment to our country, which is the direct evidence of the stable investment climate of Kazakhstan. And please, kindly follow our main investment model. Grow your business. Invest in Kazakhstan.